Have you ever paused to ask yourself what role money plays in your life? Is it merely a tool for survival, or does it hold a deeper significance? How does it shape your choices, values, and relationships? Today, we'll unpack this question by exploring a timeless parable. In the Gospel of Matthew, Jesus narrates the parable of the talents. A wealthy man, embarking on a journey, entrusts his property to his servants. To one, he gives 5 talents, to another, 2, and to the third, a single talent, each according to their abilities. The first 2 servants, embracing the opportunity, invest their talents and double them. The third, however, succumbs to fear and buries his talent for safekeeping. Upon his return, the master commends the first 2 servants, expressing, "Well done, good and faithful servant. You have been faithful with a few things. I will put you in charge of many things. Come and share your master's happiness." But the third servant, who chose safety over growth, is rebuked. His talent is taken from him. This parable isn't just about money, it's about wisely using what we've been given and investing it for growth. So, how can we apply the lessons from this parable in our daily lives? Take a moment to reflect on your own talents and resources. Consider how you're currently using them. Are you taking risks for growth like the first 2 servants, or are you playing it safe like the third? Now think about how you can better leverage these talents. Can you see any opportunities around you? Perhaps there's a project at work, a community initiative, or even a personal goal that could benefit from your unique abilities. Set actionable goals to make the most of these opportunities. Break them down into smaller, manageable steps and start taking intentional action. Remember, it's not just about having resources, but how you use them. So, are you ready to multiply your talents?